Hello, my dear friends. Myself Ritika, and I welcome you all to EduTap. So, guys, NABARD has released the exam dates for Phase 2 of Grade A as well as Grade B examinations. So, we have decided to conduct a mock test, a complete full-length mock test for Grade A examination of NABARD. To know the details, you'll have to tune in with me. You'll have to watch this video. I'll share all the details, the test date, and what all will be there in this test. Before we proceed, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and do join our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is in the description of this video. So basically, you'll be able to get all the content that is free of cost and is useful for your exam. So coming to the Big Daddy mock test. So what is this Big Daddy mock test, guys? On 24th of October, this test will be live. It will be live at 11 a.m. Right now, I'll share what all questions would be there. Guys, this test is based on the exact exam pattern of your examination, that is NABARD Grade A. So it will have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 1 will be English descriptive as it is there in the examination. 90 minutes duration, you have to do the paper. Okay. And then guys, paper 2 without break, 11 o'clock this test will be live. Then you have to do English descriptive in 90 minutes without break. At 12:30 your paper of ESI ARD objective containing 30 questions, it will be live. You have to do this test, and then after that descriptive paper of the paper 2 will again be live. So idea is that you do English descriptive paper, you move on to your objective paper 2 and then descriptive paper 2. So this is the way your exam is conducted. Now, some students might be thinking that there is a gap. There might be a gap in between paper 1 and paper 2 in the examination, but we are not sure about it. So the best is that you wait, you be prepared and do not wait for the gap. If you're ready without any gap, if let's say in examination there is going to be no gap between these two papers, then you will be ready with these mock tests. Okay. Take this mock test. It is very, very important for you. The result of this test will be live at 3 p.m. So you'll be able to see your All India rank in your objective test. Okay? All India test rank will be available. I will definitely encourage all the students to take this test. Now the question comes that students who could not clear phase 1, or they might be preparing for other regulatory body examinations like RBI or let's say SEBI, or other examinations that have the same syllabus. What I would suggest you is, my dear friends, you should definitely take this test. Why? You'll get to know the exam pattern. You'll get to know how paper is to be done sitting at your home, how you can utilize your 2-3 hours in the paper, right? One thing. Secondly, this Big Daddy mock test is very important. Why? Why am I saying it? Because guys, it is a part of a bigger course which is Vijay batch. So to bring Vijay for the deserving candidates in NABARD Grade A examination, we launched this course called Vijay batch. It's a free course. So this Big Daddy mock test is an initiative under this Vijay batch. Another thing, if we enroll to this course for free, you will get another thing, that is free study material. So basically, if you are preparing for the competitive examinations, RBI, NABARD, SEBI, you must take this exam to get the orientation. The study material will be very much helpful to you guys for your preparation of upcoming next year also. The students who could not clear NABARD Grade A Phase 1 this time, definitely I hope they are going to appear next year. If your age limit or if your age limit permits and if you're dedicated enough, then you can use this study material. Again, the pattern has changed this year. We are not expecting to change it again soon, so you should be ready. So save the date of 24th October. Tomorrow 11 a.m. the test will be live. How to take this test? Simply, you have to go to the link given in the description of this video, Vijay batch link. There you have to enroll yourself, which is absolutely free. There you will be able to access this same course. This is the image you will be able to navigate in your course, NABARD Grade A Big Daddy mock test. So this will be Big Daddy mock test 1. It's a great opportunity to be acquainted with the exam. That's it. Please take the test. Encourage your fellow mates who are preparing or who appeared in the examination to take this test, so that more and more students come up and we'll get to see a good number of result, all India ranking. It will be fun to see that how students are improving and what score are they getting. For any query, please feel free to drop us a mail at hello@edutab.co.in. Wishing you all the very best for your examination. We'll see you soon. And if you perform really good in these tests, then I hope you'll be encouraged also that yes, I am on the right track. I just need to prep better. That's it. Bye bye. Take care.